everyone, welcome back to Baties Barbie. As you can see, today I'm at the beach. It's so nice here. Climate, it's not too sunny, and the water looks so smooth. I love it. Okay, I can't wait to jump in. Oh, so soft. I'm going to relax for some time. Whoa, the water's gonna get me. Nope. Time to collect shells. Hey, what's that? Oh, it's a big shell. It's big as my face. It's so colorful. I love it. Wow. Next, what is there? It's a small conch shell. It's small. Hey. Wow. Now it's a big one. The water's gonna get it. Nope, it's too heavy. It's like the water's taking it away. Wow, it's so big. It has spikes. No, there's nothing in. I'm going to the water now. I heard there's boat riding. Whoa! Yay! Whoa! It's smooth and it's getting rough. Whoa! Wow. That's a big one. And woohoo again! Yay! Whoa, that's rough. A little deep now. And woohoo again! Yay! Boat riding! It's so nice. Deep's the best. No hard waves. Whoa! Whoa! Something's not right. Whoa! The boat! Whoa! Ah! Help! 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 Ah! Help! 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 Oh, somebody help me, please! Help! Help! Oh my goodness! Help! 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 Wait, I'm getting dizzy. Who is that? Who is it? Don't worry, you're safe now. Huh? But who are you? I'm getting dizzy. Whoa! Are you a mermaid? Yes, I am. I'm a mermaid. Are you a real mermaid? I can't believe it. Oh, yes, I am. I have a tail. Oh my goodness. I feel so dizzy. Wow, I can't believe a real mermaid. Come to my home. You rest a bit. Aw, thank you. Wow, your house is in a secret island. So beautiful with all the shells, all the underwater things. Like, whoa, I love it. I love the castle. It's so beautiful. Aw, I wish I was a mermaid. Oh no, you look perfect the way you are. Look at those colorful shells. So beautiful. It's so nice. Come on, sit down. Okay. I love the colors. Superb. Wow, a mermaid's life is so nice. Nice? It's so polluted at the ocean. Oil from ships. Humans throw waste to our home. You think that's nice, Rebecca? Look, there's a fish. He's dead because he ate some plastic. Aw, I feel sorry. Look how dirty the water is. See? We can't even breathe. And it's not so nice. Oh, look, plastic cup. Come on, it's not some garbage can. And the oil from the ships, it's difficult to swim in it. Yes, so mermaid's life at the sea, not so easy. Aw, poor guys. Okay, have something to drink. Drink? What's this? Fresh water. Not salt water. Fresh water. Okay, where did he get it? Kind of magical water. Cool! Oh, it's so nice to be here. All alone. Yeah. But I have some fish friends. There are only a few mermaids left. I understand. The world's not only for humans, it's for animals, birds, fishes as well. Okay, it's time for me to go. Bye. Bye. Please visit me. Sure, Rebecca, I will visit you. Just come to the beach and shout my name. Okay, bye. Bye. Poor mermaids. I feel sorry for them. Oh, and not forgetting those cute fishes. Let's join hands and stop this pollution. Please support me. Not only for their benefits, for our benefits as well. Stop this pollution. Let's keep the earth clean. My vacation at the beach is over. Oh, how fun I had with my mermaid friend. And the sunset here is super. So nice, huh? I need to go home before it gets dark. And if you'd like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now, everyone. Bye!